Well, good morning once again. This is, and it is only a brief video. It's just to show. I did the video on the Anycubic Mega Pro, and it weren't an in-depth review. It was just my feelings and what I thought about the printer and what modifications I had to make in order to that I felt to get a better print quality. And I've just got a print on now, so I'm just gonna I will show a little bit of it printing to show the quality of it. And you know, for a first time printer, I know you can have good printers and bad printers at the same batch, and you can have problems and not have problems. As I said on the earlier video, I had to change the Z-axis screws. I just felt they weren't accurate enough. But it's like anything, it's trial and error with anything, the settings and that. But I'll just turn you around now and show you the quality of this print. It's got to a stage now where it's showing you, and it's done with the Thumb One copper silk. It's not an expensive filament, but and what you do notice with this filament, the silk filament, is, as opposed to a plain colour, is the fact that any underlying infill, what you've got, whether it's 15% or 30%, it does tend to show through. Does the infill? It's so shiny as a surface, but it adds. I think it complements the actual print. But anyway, see what you think yourselves. I'll just turn you around and let you. I hope the printer noise isn't too much. I was having problems with the setup yesterday. I put an apology on the last video I did to the fact that it was rather noisy and jittery. Move you around this side. Front. It's reasonably quiet, and there's only one problem I'm going to have to sort out with this printer, and that is when you initially start it up, you get a little bit of rattling noise off the fan on the print head. Something or nothing, but I'll just take it out. It's probably just catching somewhere, but it's not now. It's running sweet as anything now, like. But I think I'll sort that out when I get a chance. And that is the quality of it. You can see the infill. And all this is it's just a model of Thingiverse, and it's just for holding my SD cards and flash discs. It's just a bit of organising, really. But there you go. And it's reasonably quiet as a printer. I'll turn you back around. Right, you're back now. Yeah, it's said it's a 5-hour print, 0.2 lay height, and I just tend now to, the only thing I really alter on the settings now for the PLA for this printer anyway is the fact that all I alter is the actual what supports I'm using, whether tree supports or tower supports and percentage, or whether I'll use any supports at all. This has supports where needed, but it's not, in fact I don't think there is any, but you can click them. If it doesn't need them, it won't put them in. And it's printed with a brim, and it's not pulling away, it's not it adheres to the bed, and so what more can you ask for? What I will do is I'll show the finished print. I think it's only fair to show the finished print, and then we'll take it from there. So until that's finished, which is about another 4 hours away, see you later. Bye.